Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have AirPods Pro and a clean workspace. It matters because size and fit matter. Once ready, wash your hands to keep oils off the silicone and lay a soft cloth down. Grip the hard plastic base just behind the silicone tip, not the thin rim. This prevents tearing. Then pull outward while applying a small twisting motion. This reduces suction and releases the bead that anchors the tip, so it comes off intact without stretching. Once a tip resists, apply low heat for 2 to 3 seconds from a distance to soften the silicone and reduce adhesion. Make sure to avoid the speaker mesh. Then, using a thin plastic card, gently slide around the junction to break the seal. Do not use metal or sharp tools as they can puncture the tip or mesh. If residue persists, remove the tip and soak it in warm, soapy water for 5 to 10 minutes. This loosens grime and makes reinstallation smoother. After removal, clean both the speaker mesh and the silicone tip. Lightly wipe with 70% isopropyl alcohol on a lint-free cloth and allow full drying so moisture won't trap debris. To reattach, align the tip's notch with the stem tab and press until you feel or hear a secure click. This ensures the internal bead seats properly and maintains the seal for noise isolation. If a tip remains stuck after repeating gentle heat and card work, stop and consult authorized service to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.